Friends, today we shall discuss about the pros and cons of this Ramos. I am using this device since last 1 month and I have noticed some pros and cons of this. So I just present it before you. So first is friend, the major shortcoming of this phone is that we are not having any update of this mobile, because in this setting if you can see that this update option has not been given anywhere. Therefore we shall have to be there, remain with this lollipop 5 version of this mobile. Therefore this is the big shortcoming of this phone in my opinion. Second con is friends, maybe pros for some, but that this large screen, so 6.44 screen may not be suitable for some persons who are not used to for using this type of large mobile. Therefore this may also pros a con for persons, but it may be pros for the persons who like large screen. Third is friend, this mobile is very heavy in weight. This is 230 grams. So really means as far as weight is concerned, for all persons I believe that this may not be a convenient weight for the person for using this mobile. Another friends that this phone is quite old. It is more than 1 year old. It was launched in the month of I believe July or August 2015. Therefore this phone is quite old. Therefore in the present scenario there are much better device available in comparison to this. Then friends, this mobile does not come with any SD card support. If we see the same compartment, then this is purely dual SIM mobile, and no scope or no socket has been given for dual SIM SD card. Therefore you will have to be remain with 32 GB. Then friends, this mobile is not having any fingerprint scanner. As far as security is concerned, we shall have to be remained with our digital lock. Seventh is friend, I have seen that there is no gesture wake up, or no gesture is provided in the software for waking up or doing other activity on the mobile. Therefore that is a big con. Then friends, however, this quality of build quality is really very good, but as far as this Ramos company is concerned, this brand is not a known brand, although it is a Chinese brand, but it is not a known brand. This mobile comes friends with 6050 mAh battery, but fast charging is not supported. The charger provided with this mobile is also charging this mobile within 6 to 7 hours. Therefore fast charging is not supported, and the charging this mobile is a big con. Then friends, as far as display is concerned, if you'll see this display, the whiteness of the mobile is not reflecting that bright colors. It is some yellowish. If you will see on the screen that the colors are not that much full bright white, it is somewhat yellowish. Therefore this color reproduction is not that much great. Friends, I am using this mobile since last 1 month, and I have noticed because in this period I have used some other mobiles also, and I have noticed that connecting this mobile with Wi-Fi is not getting that great signals. In comparison to this, some other mobiles are getting good signals. However, this mobile cannot connect to Wi-Fi so that we can browse our internet in a faster mode. Friends, this mobile is available in 4 colors. At the time of launch it was available in 4 colors, but now only 3 colors are available. One is the silver, which is in my hand. Another is rose gold, and then gray. Gold. Gray has been discontinued. I have liked this silver color, but I have seen the colors of rose gold and gold also, but that sharpness and beauty of that color is missing. This mobile, friends, I purchased just for attraction towards MOUI, which is a user interface customized by this company. But when I received this mobile comes with a stock Android, because MOUI supports Chinese language only. Therefore, MOUI interface or MOUI of this company, developed by this company, is not available for other persons who are not using Chinese language. Then 14th, friends, this camera is very average. If we'll see that this camera quality in this light even is not reproducing that great pictures. If in this price point, if we can see this Google Android is after zooming is reproducing some grainy picture. Therefore, camera quality as far as price point is concerned is not that great. In this price point, we can have some good camera. Friends, then on the 15th number, if we hear sound of the loudspeaker, then that quality of sound you can hear is not that much loud as we expect from the loudspeaker. So sound quality is also a con for this mobile. Friends, initially it was given in the specifications that a radio is provided in the mobile, but when I received it, I saw that radio is not, FM radio is not there. So for the persons who loves to hear music on radio, FM radio, they will disappoint by this shortcoming. Then friends, as you can see in the box spec, this compartment is there for earphones, but earphones have not been supplied along with this mobile. Therefore, this is also a big con for this. So friends, thanks for watching. Hope you like this. I will come with some other video also. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.